Hello guys, hope you're well. Today we're back with another poster design tutorial, and this time we're going to take a look at Marvel's new animated TV show, which is called What If. I really like this poster design and I was thinking it would be cool to give it a go. Let's try to recreate it in Photoshop. I got my background ready and I got my work folder prepared. I have got a frame and then a title ready. I used alternate Gothic ATF font. And let's get started. So we choose the frame, we select the frame, we go to 3D extrusion and create. Right, let's see the depth. It's going to be 180 pixel, so that's fine. Title, I'm just going to change the color to D5. There we go. And do the same, 3D extrusion, create. There we go, and set the extrusion depth to the same 180 pixel. We're going to do one more thing here on this layer, and that's to go to the bevel tab here and then choose the front. Contour is the first one and set the width to, I don't know, like 10. Yeah, I think 10% is fine. Yeah, all right. Once that's done, we can merge these two 3D objects. Okay, and let's go to the 3D panel and select both title and frame. Go to the coordinates to move to the ground, and from there we can just I always align them and move to ground again, and then just move it into the middle here. So that's nice. Okay, cool. So as you can see, it's not exactly the same, and it's because we have to do some changes. First of all, the current view, we have to go and change the lens to 150 mil. I think that was the one I used. Yeah. And all right, let's just zoom back out like this. Yeah, much better. We also have to change the angle a tiny bit, like this. Let's see. Oh, it's too much. Should be fine. All right. Okay, once that's done, we're going to zoom a bit more like this, and this is pretty much set. The next thing we're going to do, go back to 3D panel to the materials tab and start to add these this red color into the extrusion. Okay, let's go back to Photoshop and do that. So all we have to do, here's the frame, here's the title, so we just have to select the extrusion material, and then from there we can select a nice red color. There we go, press OK, it's all fine. And then we go to the title extrusion material and do the same. Go up to select the red. There we go. The only difference is that I changed the glow. I changed the glow to like 4%, and that's it. Okay, so once that's done, let's just see this the inflation, bevel, and then the frame inflation. The color is, yeah, I think that's fine. That's fine. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything else. Here we go back to our environment and infinite light. So we're going to change this a little bit, something like this. Yeah. And we're going to use the marquee tool to select an area which we want to test render. So you render with this button here, and let's have a look how it feels. Yes, this looks really nice. This looks really awesome. Okay, cool. I think I'm just gonna leave the render to go. So I'm gonna cut the video and I'll be back once it's done. Okay, thanks. Okay, now we're back. The render just finished, and this is the result. One thing I have changed is basically, let me just go back here. Okay, to the materials. So I did go back to my extrusion and change the glow from 4% to 15%. Okay, so this just gave me a better result. Another thing here is that this render is full with artifacts and I can't really remove them. I searched the forums for answer, but I couldn't really find anything. At the end, I decided to just to remove them. So the way I do it, I just duplicate the file. Okay, if I manage to do that, there we go. And what we do, we're going to turn it into a smart object and we turn it to a rasterized layer. So some of them you can just simply cut, like these ones on the corner. I don't really want them. I'm not bothered. I'm just going to cut them out. So just use the marquee tool, select them and press delete. The rest you can just select them, press right click and fill with content aware fill, and that will help you to get rid of them. So the rest I'm just gonna go and do that. There we go. So it's nice and easy. It is a bug and I hope Adobe will sort this out later, but no biggie, we can live with that. Okay, here we are. At least I got a chance to show you how to fix it. Okay. Alright, so let's do some final touch, and I've got this FX folder open here, which is just the glow. I'm gonna include the PSD to the tutorial so you can download it and take it apart, have a look at it and use this glow. So you're more than welcome to use it, no worries. So let's see what we have. I'm going to turn on my reference. Okay, so yeah, this is really nice. Okay, so we're going to have to add this kind of metal kind of material to our design, and also a little bit of glow here. Okay, let's do that. First I'm going to add outer glow. There we go, that's good. Just red, 20% opacity, something subtle. And once that's done, we can add a couple of adjustment layers. First, just create a normal layer, clip it to the 3D layer, and let's use a red color. Just color pick this section here and start painting it with a round soft brush. Make it nice and small. There we go. Opacity 100%, and then just start painting this in. There we go. Cool. I cut the parts I don't want to keep, like this. I just wanted this kind of glow here. There we go. And the next one, we're going to paint these kind of things here. The best way to do it, I think, is just to create another layer on just below the red, and use the magic wand tool to, don't forget to select the layer, to select the area you want it to apply to. So I'm just going to select these areas here. There we go. Once that's done, we can just literally color pick this here, and let's just start to paint it in, you know. I think we can change the hardness to 50%, and let's go, let's just paint it in. Okay. Change the size. Oops, that's a bit too much. Alright, something like this. And in the middle, I'm just going to change the shape. So I'm gonna make it nice and narrow, and increase the size, maybe a little bit too narrow. There we go. Something like that. Opacity about 30%, and then just, you know, just change the hardness to 0%, and then just kind of place it in some places. There we go. So that's good. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this. All right. Once that's done, what else shall we do? Actually, this is what I wanted to do. I got my glow on, and this looks pretty good to me. So maybe one more thing we can add. I wonder how an outer glow would look like on this. Okay, something like a red. No, it's not gonna work. I think the best will be if I just go behind my original design and add this glow. Okay, just a little bit of red glow, just here like this. Oops, opacity. Okay, yeah, something like that. Yeah, that's awesome, because I think that's kind of, it's not here. On my other reference image it was there. Yeah, you see. Anyway, no worries. Okay, so this is the final design. I hope you like it. If you do, please press like. It helps me to get these videos in front of more people, so that really helpful. And also, just if you have any idea what other poster design we should do next, put it in the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't. And thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.